Welcome, I'm the WordNerd, and this is Killing in the Cost Ministries. Let's dig deeper. Welcome back to another snippet. So this is, I think, number 4, and so yeah, let's just get into it. So today's Bible verses are Psalms 139, 7 through 10. So, whither shall I go from thy spirit, or whither shall I flee from thy presence? If I ascend unto heaven, thou art there. If I make my bed in hell, behold, thou art there. If I take the wings of the morning and dwell in the uttermost parts of the sea, even there shall thy hand lead me, and thy right hand shall hold me. So I was just kind of studying and reading today, and we always want to be in God's presence, right? So God's presence is absolutely unchanging, but the evidence of his presence is not. So on some occasions, God may purposely alter the evidence of his presence to bring the most benefit from our experience, right? So God desires us to grow and teach us to walk by faith and not by sight. So the evidence of his presence may vary depending on how what will make us grow the most. So sometimes his presence are a lot. You can definitely see his hand in a lot of things because it will make us grow in that situation. Other times he seems a bit silent, and it's hard in those situations, but we always can remember that he said he will never forsake us and never leave us. He's always there with us. So we have to remember, are these in the trial that we might, or the storm that we might be in? Is it because this is the best way for us to grow in our relationship? So Christ doesn't always calm the storm. He sometimes calms his child. So remember that. Intimacy with God grows through sharing every realm of experience with him. It grows sharing your entire life, your ups and your downs, your struggles, your secret parts of you. He knows them all. Share them and commit them to him so he can change you and strengthen you in him. So God should be the greatest reality in our life. Even though we can't maybe sense his presence at the time, we know that he is not a man that he should lie. He is always there. Today I encourage you to commit yourself entirely to God, that he may set you free to be everything he has planned you to be. Remember, God loves you and he is always with you.